Hello, welcome to my channel CNCR Science and Math Concept. Here we are doing the question for JEE exam. The question is from class 12 topic dual nature of matter and radiation. The question says the time taken by photoelectron to come out after photon strikes is approximately 10 to the power minus 4 second, 10 to the power minus 10 second, 10 to the power minus 16 second, 10 to the power minus 1 second. See, when photons strike, the process is instantaneous process. Since the process is instantaneous process, the time taken is very small time, and that is equals to 10 to the power minus 9 second. So we can say it is nearly approximately to 10 to the power minus 10 second. So we can say that option D is the correct answer. That is all for this question. Keep watching my other videos for more challenging questions and do subscribe my channel.